What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventure. I'm your host, Papi Larocks, and today we'll be doing the best fried chicken sandwich on YouTube. Alright, here we have 4 chicken breasts. They're about 7 ounces each. We have our marinade, which is just buttermilk, about half a cup, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. We're going to season our chicken breast with salt and pepper before we marinate it. Both sides. Then we're going to marinate the chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes. There is salt and pepper in this marinade as well. Should cut it thoroughly. Alright, while our chicken is marinating, we're going to make pimento cheese to accompany our sandwich. Here we have diced pimentos, about half a cup worth. And here we have a cheese blend, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of a 4-cheese blend of mozzarella, provolone. Alright, while our chicken is marinating, we're going to make pimento cheese. Here we have half a cup of diced pimentos, our seasoning mixture, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, 1/4 teaspoon of each. And here we have shredded cheddar cheese, a cup, half a cup of mozzarella, and half a cup of parmesan, half a cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. Add all this stuff to the bowl and give it a thorough mix. There we have our pimento cheese. Alright, 30 minutes has passed. We're now going to go ahead and start breading our chicken for our fried chicken sandwich. In this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, paprika, and half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Make sure you get both sides there. Shake off the excess flour. Also tells if you missed any spots, but we're looking good on that one. Alright, now that our chicken is perfectly dredged up, seasoned, ready to get fried, we're going to take it to our 350-degree oil and let it go. Alright, oil's at 350. And let these fry on each side for about 4 minutes. Flip them over until golden brown. Check back in 4 minutes. Alright, for about 4 minutes, go ahead and flip these bad boys. For another 3 or 4 minutes. Alright, 3 minutes later and our chicken is done. Smelling good too. Alright, now we're going to prep our sandwich. We got pimento cheese here, homemade. Pickles, get that recipe, watch it, like it, and coleslaw. On the bottom we're going to go 3 pickles, 4 pickles, pimento cheese, nice healthy amount of that on there. beautifully fried chicken. And a heaping amount of coleslaw right on top. Boom. Fried chicken sandwich. Alright, now it's time to plate and eat. Oh yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe and like. Share it to all your friends. Let me know what you think in the comments.